Hey there! In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to save your ChatGPT conversation as a PDF, both on desktop and on mobile. On a computer, open your chat in ChatGPT. Then press Ctrl and P if you're on Windows, or Command and P if you're on a Mac. This opens the print menu. In the printer options, change the destination to Save as PDF. Adjust the layout or margins if you want, then click Save and choose where to store your file. On your phone, open the chat, then tap the Share button or Browser menu, usually the three dots. Select Print, then choose Save as PDF or Print to PDF. Finally, tap Save or Download to store it on your device. If you want the PDF to look cleaner without sidebars, you can copy the chat into Word or Google Docs first, then export it as a PDF. And that's it. Now you know how to save your ChatGPT conversations as PDFs on any device. Thanks for watching.